Grade 10, hello. Hello. We are doing solid geometry. Solid geometry. Solid geometry. You are given the front view and the incomplete top view of a right regular hexagonal pyramid and a cutting plane. That is a cutting plane. I've named it it's a hexagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a pyramid, hexagonal pyramid. This is a hexagonal pyramid, and it has been truncated. It has been cut somewhere here, around here, at that angle. This is the base. This is the apex. It's a pyramid. A pyramid is something that looks like this. This is a hexagonal pyramid. Now, instruction: use the given information and draw the front view with a section. This front view, this is the front, and that is the top. First angle orthographic projection. Remember, solids are in first angle orthography. So first angle, you have the front to the top. So in this case, they want the section top view, and then the front and the section right view. Use the given information and draw the front view, the front, the top, and the right. The right is on the left hand side in first angle orthographic projection. It is advisable that you place your drawings safely. You plan your drawings. Remember, if you are going to have the right view, the right view on the left hand side, it means your front and top should be drawn towards the right hand side of your paper, of your answer sheet. So let us redraw that first. Now, when you look at this from the top, directly from the top, this is what you see. That is your base. The base, you're looking at this base there. So it is also, because you're looking at directly from the top, it's a point view. Your base, you'll be seeing the true shape of the base there, and then it's advisable that you start within the top view. That the top view will assist you to draw this front view. It also serves as an auxiliary view. So when you look at it, this is the set square that you use for an hexagon. This is at 90 degrees. I'm just testing that, trying to check that it's at 90 degrees, and each side of the hexagon is 30 millimeters. I will start there. We'll start with this horizontal side, and then they say each side is 30 millimeters, and then I will measure my 30 millimeters and measure my 30 millimeters there. And then remember, from this end, from this place, when you draw a hexagon, it is at 60 degrees. You'll have 60 degrees. Yeah, it is 60 degrees. For it to be 90 degrees, you have 60 plus 30. You might as well use this 30 degree set square. Project one side there and the other side over there. It's much easier when your measurements here, in this case, if each side is the same length, it's usually advisable to use your compass. Your compass, yes. Now here is 30, there is 30, the 30 is there, the other 30 on that side is there, the other 30 will be there. And then as we complete here, that way, and from here it will go that way, and then we will measure 30 again here. And 30 will be here, and then I'm drawing it faintly because this one is also supposed to be 30. Let me verify. It's 30. All my sides are 30. Now I'm confident that all my sides are 30, then I can draw them solidly. Right, I'm not yet done. This side, very faintly, I will do this. Very faintly, I will do that. It's very faintly. And then this must lead me to the center. Look here, I'm off center just a slightly bit, but I don't worry too much. I don't worry. I have my eraser because I've drawn it very faintly. I will have it there. Then we have it as that way, in that fashion. Now, since this is our hexagon, this part, this tip of the hexagon, I will name it 0. This part. This part I'll name it 0, maybe starting from here, saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexagon. Now I will want to draw my ground line here. I will have my ground line drawn here. Have my ground line drawn here, and then I will project every corner now. I'll project every corner. Project every corner. I'll project every corner. Right. That will inform me of my base. Here is my ground line. There is my base of my hexagon. And then I've been given the height of 20 millimeters and 55. Right. Maybe here, I'll take it from here, 20 and 55. There is my 20. There is my 55. 20 and 55. Remember, from my 55, that's where I will have the tip of my hexagon. I'm just drawing it very faintly. Very faintly. I know that my 0 will be here. Now, but all 1 and 6, since this is the base here, 1 is further. I'm looking at it from the front. From the front, 6 is nearer, 1 is further, 5 is nearer, 2 is further, 4 is nearer, 3 is further. They all converge to 0. Zonke zihlangana lapha ka 0. Converge to 0. This line is for 1 and 6, 4 and 3, 5 and 2. Now, they say here, from this 20 millimeters at 30 degrees, you have your cutting plane. Cutting plane is at 30 degrees. From 20 mark line. Here is my mark of line 20. Here is my 20, and then 30 degrees I will use this set square. This set square will give me 30 degrees. It's a 30 degree set square. That will be my cutting plane. That will be my cutting plane A, which means this part has been removed. So what are we required to do? They say instruction, use the given information and draw the front view with a section. So it's not quite clear, this question, when they say with a section, or maybe they wanted to say a sectioned front view, or a front view as it is, as completely as it is. I will leave it as completely as it is, because it's not quite clear, that question. Probably I'm assuming, I'm deducing that they want the front view that has been removed, this part that is there. But for now, I won't remove it. I won't remove it, because to me that question is not clear enough. But if it is removed, you will draw it up to here. It is a sectioned front view. That part has been removed. So yeah, I think they want it that way. And there is the vertex for 5 and 2. That is my front view. And then let's come to the top view, a sectioned top view. A top view that is sectioned. Here is the sectional line. This is where 4 and 3 has been cut here. Let's project that to 4 and 3. 4 and 3. The corner of 4 and 3 has been cut. 3 has been cut. Here is 3. As 3 goes towards 0, remember this is our 0. As 3 moves towards 0, 3 moves towards 0 is cut here. As 3 moves towards 0, it is cut here. And as 4 nearer to us from the front, as 4 move towards 0, as 4 move towards 0 is also cut here. And then 1 and 6, as they move towards 0, they've been cut. 1 and 6, they've been cut here. 6 towards 0 is cut here. 1 towards 0 is cut here. Let's look at 5 and 2. 5 and 2, they are cut here. 5 and 2, they are cut here. Now let me transfer the cut. I'm transferring the cut to 1 and 6. The cut is here. When I look at it from that side, the cut, or when I look at it from this side, either way, when I look at it from this side, the cut is somewhere here. So I'm transferring it either here or there. I'm transferring it to 1 and 6. When I transfer the cut to 1 and 6, the cut of 5 and 2. 5 and 2 is cut here. I transfer it to 1 and 6. Once I cut, or 1 or 6, not both. Once it is there, I rotate it with my compass. I rotate it with my compass because I know it doesn't belong to 1 or 6. It belongs to 2 and 3 and 5. 2 and 5. So our cuts are here. 1 cuts here, 2 cuts here, 3 here, 4 here, 5 here, 6 there. Then we join the cut. I join the cut. 1 to 2. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 1, that is the cut. 6 to 1. Now let's check. 6, 1 and 6, they have moved up towards 0 up until here. 1 and 6. 1 and 6, they have moved up towards 0, but they ended up here. 1 and 6, they ended up here. 5 and 2, they moved towards 0, but they ended up here. And then we've transferred that there and rotated it. That is for 2 and 5. 2 and 5. 2 starts from 2. As it moves towards 0, it ends there. 5, as it moves towards 0, it ends there. Same thing. 4 and 3 as they move towards 0. 4 as 4 move towards 0, and as 3 move towards 0, it ends there. It has been cut. So this whole part has been cut. This is the part that has been cut. Now I use my 45-degree set square. I section the part that has been cut. This part has been cut. This is the part that has been cut. Notice the spacing in between these lines is even. Make sure we have even space. It is not a solid line. It is just lighter than the dark line. So you have your front, your top. Now we are going to the right view. The right, remember, first angle orthographic projection, the right view is on the left hand side. It is on the left hand side. Here it is. And then 45-degree set square where it turns, and then I project one, this, 1 and 3, and 2, and 0. 0 is here, and then I take those lines up there, up where they belong. Take them up. Up there. Here is 5. Okay. Here is the base. I project that there. Here is the base. That is the base. There is 5. This is 6 and 4. From the right, I'm looking at it from the right. The right view is here. From the right, I'm looking at it from this direction. I'm seeing 4. Behind 4 there is 6. I'm seeing 4. Behind 4 there is 6. I'm seeing 3. Behind 3 there is 1. Then yeah, and then here I'm seeing, here I'm seeing 2. Here I'm seeing 3. Behind 3 there is 1. Here I'm seeing 0 at the top. Here I'm seeing 0. 0 is at the top. There is 0. 0 is here. There is 0. My 0. All of them, they go to 0. I'm taking them to 0. All of them. Very faintly. Because they want a right view that has been cut. So very faintly, I'm taking them to 0. Very faintly. Very faintly. Very faintly, I take them to 0. Now, let's check. 3 and 4 have been cut here. By looking from the right, 3 and 4, there is 3 for 3, and where is my 4? 3 and 4 have been cut here. And then 5 and 2 have been cut there. 5 and 2. There is 5 and 2 have been cut there. And then 1 and 6 has been cut there. 1 is here, 1 and 6. 6. This is 1. 1 and 6 has been cut there. Why am I showing that this is 1? There is 3 and 1 here. There is 4 and 6. So that's why I'm showing you this is 6. That one will be 4. That one is 5. That one is 3. That one is 2. It's not necessary to write the numbers here. It's not necessary. Yeah, it's not necessary to write the numbers. But now the numbers is going to help us to join the cut. Now we are looking at it from the right. When we're looking at it from the right, we remove this part so that you see the cut surface. Now let's join from 1 to 2, from 2 to 3, from 3 to 4, from 4 to 5, from 5 to 6, from 6, no 7 guys, from 6 to 1. That is the cut. Cut hambala. Now let's section the cut. In this one we're sectioning that direction. In the other one we go the opposite direction. Aha, there is the cut surface. Now let's look. When we are looking at from this side, from the right, right is this side, right, left. From the right, here is my right. You can see this line of 4, 4, 3, 2 and 5. We said it's 4. You can see 4, 3. Where is 3? 3 here, 3, 2 and 5. You are able to see them. There it is, guys. Grade 10. There it is. We've completed now this drawing. Hope we have enjoyed this solid drawing. See you next time. Thank you.